Tukaj v Sloveniji imam 3 leta pa pol. Ja, slovensko govorim malo, ne veliko, kar je težko je za mene. My life, when I was young, I was under my parents. I was going to school, I was student. Then when I finished high school. When I finished my high school, in our country, everybody have to go to military training. And I was there in this military training. Then I didn't like it. I left from there to Sudan. Yeah, this is then after this from Sudan to Libya with desert. Between Sudan and Libya is big desert. I don't know if you heard about it. Yeah, I was there in Libya 6 months with smugglers. After this, I paid money $4,500. My parents paid and some friends and family, relatives. Yeah, then I went to Italy. The smugglers sent me to Italy with this boat. I was lucky, a lot of our brothers died there, sisters. Yeah, but my journey, I was lucky. Then I reached Italy. From Italy, I lived in Rome 6-7 months. In Italy, in our time, it was this relocation program. I applied for that. Then my chance was Slovenia, because you cannot choose country where you want to go. They just select everybody. Then my chance was Slovenia. I came to Slovenia. It took me 1 year, almost 1 year. I was in Sudan. Sudan is also very big. I was there 6 months, struggling, going from city to city. Then also from Sudan to enter to Libya, this desert takes close to 1 month, because we were going illegal with the smugglers. They have to stop in somewhere if they have to hide all the time from army or something. Yeah, in Libya I was there 6 months. I was under smugglers. There's a lot of people from our country or other Africans do this. Yeah, 6 months there. Then to Italy also 6 months. This. From my country to Sudan with food. We have to walk with food. We were hiding all the time from army. It took me like 5 nights. With my friends, we were 5 together. We ran away from where we have this military training. Yeah, it takes 5 days from to enter to Sudan to one city. From that city, it takes until to Khartoum. Also, you have to go illegally. You hide like 1 month or less, or I don't know, 1 month or 3 weeks. I was there in Sudan in different cities. This all is 6 months. From this I went to Libya. This desert takes also close to 1 month or like 3 weeks. Then I was in Libya 6 months because I didn't pay it, and we were kidnapped up from one place to other smugglers. They kidnapped us from one smuggler to another smuggler. And we had to pay $4,500. This is huge for our parents or for our family to pay. Yeah, then I was lucky my parents paid this. Then they sent me to Italy with this small boat. With the boat, until Italy it takes 2 weeks or more. But we were lucky. We entered to this international line. Then this European Union, they were helping there, we were a lot huge refugees, thousands of refugees. Then they were helping there because it's very risky. A lot of people also dies there. Then they helped us from there. They took us to Italy, to Sicily. From Sicily, they took me to Rome, then I applied for this resettlement, then my chance was Slovenia. Yes, I'm a refugee because I have reason. I left my country because of I don't like to be a soldier. It's not my profession. And why I have to be a soldier or why I have to train? This is not. I have my personal decision to go what I want to do, and this is my reason, and I am guaranteed the refugee status. I have refugee status. And this everybody in our country goes to army, and we have a big reason. We don't want to be in army, or I don't want to be a soldier. Everyone runs from this. The European Union brought me here from Italy because I applied, and then I was here in Slovenia in asylum home 2 months, then I got my status, then I live in my private. I was lucky a lot. Sometimes it takes years or more. Yeah, I like Slovenia. Is quite small country. Yeah, it's good for me. Yeah, to find flat is very difficult, but still we are struggling, and yeah, for a job also it's very hard. You have to speak the language. Then the language is very difficult also here. Yeah, I finished high school in our country. After we have from middle school we have in English, but my English is also not very good. But I speak few languages. Yeah, I am from other tribe. We have 9 languages in our country. My mother tongue is called Blin, and Tigray, Arabic. Tigrinya is like official language, and Arabic. These both they are working official language in our country. Want my country to be peace and to see my parents, my friends. Yeah, this is my hope. And yeah, home is where you are safe, where you can live in peace, and I think this is home. You will never forget where you are born, but home is where you are in peace, and where you feel at